In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange PDF pages using PDF24 Tools. If your document is out of order, contains misplaced pages, or simply needs to be reorganized before you share it, PDF24 makes the process quick and easy. You don't need to install any software, create an account, or have any previous experience editing PDF files. Everything works directly in your web browser. To begin, open your browser and visit the PDF24 Tools website. You'll see a collection of free tools for working with PDF documents. Find and open the Organize PDF Pages tool. Depending on your version of PDF24, it may also be called Sort PDF Pages or Rearrange PDF Pages, but the process is very similar. Click Choose Files and select the PDF document you want to edit. You can also drag and drop your file directly into the browser window. After the upload is complete, PDF24 will display every page in your document as a thumbnail. This thumbnail view is one of the biggest advantages of the tool because you can immediately see the structure of your document. Instead of scrolling through pages one by one, you can quickly identify where each page belongs. To move a page, simply click and drag its thumbnail to a new position. As you drag it, you'll see where the page will be placed. Release the mouse button, and the page will immediately move into its new location. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until the entire document is arranged exactly the way you want. For example, you might move the title page to the beginning of the document, place an appendix at the end, group some more pages together, or correct pages that were scanned in the wrong order. If you've merged several PDF files together, rearranging the pages is often the final step that turns multiple documents into one organized report. Take your time while reviewing the thumbnails. A few extra seconds spent checking the page order now can prevent confusion later, especially if you're preparing business documents, school assignments, presentations, or legal paperwork. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, click the Save, Create PDF, or Apply Changes button, depending on the version of the tool you're using. PDF24 will generate a new PDF containing the updated page order while leaving your original file unchanged. After the new document is ready, click Download to save it to your computer. Open the file and quickly scroll through it to confirm that every page appears in the correct order. If you notice something that needs to be adjusted, simply reopen the tool and rearrange the pages again. Rearranging pages is useful in many situations. You may have scanned documents in the wrong sequence, receive reports with misplaced pages, combined several contracts into one file, or created a presentation that needs a different flow before sharing it with clients or coworkers. Students often use this feature to organize assignments while businesses use it to prepare professional reports and project documentation. Here's another useful tip. If there are pages you don't need at all, remove them before rearranging the document. Working with fewer pages makes the editing process much faster. And if your completed PDF ends up being too large, you can use PDF24's Compressed PDF tool afterward to reduce the file size before emailing or uploading it. One of the reasons PDF24 is so popular is that all of its tools work together. You can merge several PDFs, remove unwanted pages, rearrange everything into the correct order, compress the final document, and even protect it with a password all without leaving the PDF24 website. As you can see, reorganizing PDF pages with PDF24 Tools is simple, fast, and completely free. In just a few minutes, you can turn a disorganized document into a clean, professional PDF that's ready to print, archive, or share with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, the next video in this series shows you how to rotate PDF pages with PDF24 Tools. It's the perfect solution for scanned documents that contain sideways or upside down pages.